Good morning students. Today we are going to start the next chapter of your syllabus, that is inventions and discoveries. So first I will tell you about the difference of invention and discovery. There is a difference. Invention is creating something new, means when we create something new by any scientist when create any new thing by doing the experiment, that is invention. So that is creating new. And instead of that, discovery is finding out something that already existed. So discovery is finding of something that is already existed. So that is the difference, means already the thing is there and that already existed, and new thing is introduced, that is discovery. Finding of something that is already existed, that is the discovery of anybody. And invention is creating new thing introduced which is not existed anywhere. So that is the invention. So in this chapter we will learn about the different inventions and discoveries, that who invented that product and what is the name of that product which is invented by somebody. So there are few things. So first I will tell you about the thermos flask. That is a thermos flask. The benefit of that thermos is that we can carry hot as well as cold water anywhere with the help of this thermos. That is widely used by the people. Now who invented that thermos flask? Thermos flask invented by Sir James Dewar. Clear? So name of that person is Sir James Dewar. So he invented thermos, clear, which is widely used in our country also. Now next is light bulb. Now everybody know that bulb created our life very comfortable. Yes or no? Now with the help of light only we are able to study better way, in a better way instead of in ancient times. Clear? Now the bulb, that is the discovery of Thomas Edison. Clear? So who discovered this bulb? Thomas Edison. Now in your book there is a name of Joseph Swan written. So Joseph Swan is a person who invented that bulb. So that is the invention of Joseph Swan and discovery of Sir Thomas Edison. Clear? So now there is a fill up in your book that what product invented by Joseph Swan. So product name you have to write. So that the product name is light bulb. Now in your exam the examiner can ask the name of product also, or they can ask the name of a person also, that who produced that particular product. Clear? Now next is chocolate bar. Everybody like to eat chocolates. Now do you think that who invented that product? Nobody. Now I will tell you that what is the name of that person who invented that chocolate bar, which very famous in all the children. Now chocolate bar invented, that is the invention of that invented by J.S. Fry and Sons. J.S. Fry and Sons. Clear? So famous company who produces that chocolate, J.S. Fry. So with his name he added his son names also. Clear? Now next is ATM, the widely automatic teller machine, that is ATM. Full form also maybe they can ask that what is the full form of ATM. So that is automatic teller machine. So that machine was invention of John Stafford Barron. Now ATM is widely used in our country as well as in all the countries. Clear? So that machine is used to withdraw the money. Most commonly we will use that machine to withdraw the money. Clear? Easily now we can receive money from anywhere. Next is WWW, means World Wide Web. Clear? To open any kind of site we will enter this one, www. Clear? So we can reach to any site. So that was the invention of Tim Berners-Lee. In previous, in next chapter, the picture of that Tim Berners-Lee is given in your book. You can see the picture of that person also, that famous inventor, netizen. Clear? Next is soda water. That is soda water. That soda water is highly used to relieve, mostly persons use this soda water when person suffering from a stomach pain, as well as it is used to hydrating our body also. Clear? So widely we can use it in our digestion. So this soda water was invented by Joseph Priestley. So who is invented this one? Joseph Priestley. Clear? That is the name of that inventor. Next is a hypodermic syringe. That syringe, with that syringe we can use a needle also. So this type of hypodermic syringe is used to inject a vaccine in our body when we are suffering from any kind of disease. So it is used to inject in our body. Clear? So that hypodermic syringe was the invention of Alexander Wood. So who invented this? Alexander Wood, that hypodermic syringe. Next is reflecting telescope. Telescope is an invention of Isaac Newton. Clear? Next is TV, John Logie Baird. Then telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Then you can see that TV is mostly widely used by in all the homes, as well as telephone. With the help of telephone we are able to communicate with others. Then linoleum, that is a kind of a cover of floor, in the floor mat, means mat which we can use in the floor. So that is a cover of floor which we call linoleum. So that invented by Frederick Walton. Next is electric motor. Electric motor which is used in every house, that invented by Michael Faraday. Clear? So next we will talk about the toothbrush. So that toothbrush is used to clean our teeth, gums. Clear? So with the help of this toothbrush now we are able to remove germs. Okay? We can get away from the germs with the help of cleaning our teeth. So that toothbrush helps us to clean our teeth. So that toothbrush was a invention of William Addis. Who invented this product? William Addis. Clear? Next is cement. Cement is widely used to build the construction of different houses. Clear? With the help of this cement only now we are able to live safely in our rooms. Clear? So this cement is invented by Joseph Aspdin. Clear? Next, the product is stainless steel. This steel is widely used at every home. So many utensils are there which is made from this steel. That is steel, stainless steel. It is an alloy of iron and carbon. Clear? So that who discovered this stainless steel which is widely used at every home's discovery of Harry Bradley. Clear? Next we will talk about the photography. Different types of all of you like to click the photos. So that photography was the invention of William Henry Fox Talbot. Clear? So students, examiner can ask the name of any scientist who discovered or who invented the product, or they can ask the name of product also. That is scientist name given to you, or we have to write the product name, or product name given by the examiner, or scientist name we have to write. Clear? So try to learn the name of product as well as the name of scientist. Write in your copy, make one column in your copy, and in front of each product write the name of scientist and try to learn it. Clear? And as well as write down the definition also. What do you mean by invention and what do you mean by discovery? What is the difference between invention and discovery? Such type of extra question may be asked by the examiner related to this page. Thank you.